So John, what are we doing today?
Eating ass. And drinking Gatorade.
This autofocus sucks. Well, you already drank the Gatorade. What are you doing now? You know what I love doing more than anything in this world?
What's
I love
that?
working on my fucking Nissan 240SX 24/7. I don't even like driving anymore. I just like working on my car. That's how I feel. Just all my fucking car does is
That
break.
sounds about right.
So what's gonna happen today? Me and John are gonna take off the broken turbo. I haven't ordered a new one yet, but I'm going to order the new one. It's just the eBay turbo. My car felt great at the event, except for somehow getting a downpipe bolt in the turbo, which may or may not have destroyed the turbo. So I gotta take the turbo off, all the intercooler piping, and the intercooler, clean it all out, hopefully flush oil, hopefully there's no metal shavings, and send it.
Metal shaving.
There's metal shavings from the turbo, jackass.
Oh.
Anyways, I gotta get a bag of tools together, and then we're gonna go outside and work on this thing.
The battery's dying.
Fuck. Okay.
Lola. Oh. Didn't even put your shoes on all the way?
Nope. I won't be out here long. Probably gonna give up.
Probably gonna give up.
Let's close it for you. So, here's what we're working with right now, as in the issue that we're facing.
Ooh yeah. You can see that.
Yeah, it's all ate up in here.
Yeah.
There's where the bolt was bouncing around everywhere. But yeah, so this little cheap turbo got fucked up, and now I gotta take it apart to, you know. So first, I'm going to unhook the feed line, and then intercooler piping, and yeah, work on good old K again. But it did run good at the event. Dyno it made right at 294. After this, 294 fucking, this thing feels like a goddamn rocket ship. But yeah, so. I need a 17. Am I supposed to pay you for this?
Yes. I don't work for free.
Oh, fuck. We'll talk to that off camera.
Yeah.
We're rule number 1 to work on a 240. Take your wallet,
Throw it out the window.
give it to the car.
Okay.
It's like a marriage with a bad wife that takes all your money. Smokes crack with it.
Smokes crack with it.
Yeah. Because they take every bit of your money, man. Probably should take this fucking heat shield off too. Probably make it a little easier, I suppose. You know what sucks? I have a nice ass toolbox with all these nice ass parts. I still gotta work outside of the dirt.
Yeah.
Struggles, man. Fucking struggles. Oh well. Alright, got the downpipe off. I had to struggle with that. Let me get this the last bolt that's hanging out right here.
Oh, I got the downpipe unhooked. Last bolt. So, yeah, I got the downpipe unhooked. It's all unhooked. Now I got to undo the turbo, intercooler piping. I'm gonna pull the whole intercooler, everything off, and hopefully there's not very much metal shavings in there. Spray. Pull all this shit off to make sure there's no fucking metal shavings in this bitch. Which there probably will be. It's fucking 10. Like I'm saying, this is everything's different. What the track there
That's what a shit box is like, huh?
No, what the track there day, this is the coupler that blew off. So I had to, God damn, I need a fucking deep wheel.
But that's the couple that blew off, so I had to like makeshift some shit to work, and it's, you can tell it's like fucking awkwardly holding on to it. Stupid piece of shit. I fucking oogled the shit that's at the track so I can drive. But, just another day in the office. There we go. Oh yeah, look at this. That's a piece of my turbo. Hopefully it didn't get too much farther through. I don't see any more shavings in there. It was just one big chunk right there. Probably some in here though. Not a pro trip, but I always try to, if I'm taking shit apart, I always, you know, tighten my clamps back up on where it's coming from so I don't lose them and misplace them. And this is from where I drug at the track there on the ground for a few seconds. I need new intercooler piping. I need a new fucking car. So I got this last bolt right here to take off. Hold this up, John. Yeah. Could be worse.
That thing wobbling. How did that little bolt cause all that damage?
A little bolt did all this bullshit. Destroyed it. It was. Now I'm gonna take the rest of the intercooler shit off so I can make sure everything's clean of debris. I'm gonna do that, but. Keep fucking taking them off next time. I don't mean to take them off. Sweet. No metal shaving so far. So I gotta take this thing off. This intercooler off, and clean it really well, and then drain the oil like twice, I think, on this damn fucking 240. And other than that, I'm gonna pull this off really fast. I'll take a second. I don't remember what size bolts all these were. So yeah, my filmer is over there on the phone. It's all good. I got the intercooler piping off, the turbo off, and y'all saw the damage that shit did. I'm gonna clean all this shit out and then drain the oil on the KA. Ain't that right, John?
Yes. Whatever you said.
But yeah, the car did great before everything fucked off. Looks awesome. I need to get it painted next. All those videos will be on my channel once John films me, which will be every day from now on.
No.
No, definitely want to film more though. And yesterday the camera filled up the space. I never got to film an outro. I'm here editing the video now, so here's the outro for it. But I'm going to try to start filming more and posting more because I have all this time in my hands after work and nothing to do with it. So I might as well pursue this a little bit. And I work on my car enough, and hopefully I could drive a lot this year. Have a lot of great content planned. So hopefully y'all enjoy. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe.